Hello, Mommy. Hello, Jacob. Hey, Cubby. Say hi.
Hi.
Now, who's this over here? This is the star of the show today. Hello, Nathan.
Hi, Piggy.
Hello, little buddy. He's sleeping. Jacob, where's Nathan? Where? Jacob, where's Nathan? Jacob. There he is. Yeah. He came out last night at 2:43, January the 14th, 2008. He was a very good boy. There was the star of the show last night. How you feeling, baby?
Tired.
You look good.
No.
You do.
I looked in the mirror before, I wasn't pretty sad.
Welcome to my life. And get another, whoa, little short little young man. Sleeping. There he is.
More baby again.
Okay. Put some shots later and he's awake.